Today we're heading over to Hostyl Customs. And this is Hoss, and he's been kind enough to show us a couple cars and go for a ride in one. So let's have a quick chat with him. Hoss, welcome to the channel, brother.
Thanks, bro. Thanks for having me. Sweet, thanks for coming. I appreciate it.
Cool. So you've been operating in Brisbane for how many amount of years?
Several years now. Been quite a long haul, but now I'm finally seated here and it's been fun.
Nice. And I understand that you have a couple of cars, but there's something you want to show us today.
Well, I've got a couple. So one of them is a twin-charged XR6. It's just running a rapid supercharger on a stock BF2 motor, and pulls about 400 horsepower, but a lot of fun to drive. And I've got another BF Tornado F6. She's around about 720 kilowatts, 26 pounder boost, and yeah, he's a grumpy boy.
Man. All right, so let's talk a little bit about like the motors sort of thing, the gearbox and diff.
Basically on the Foon, on the Tornado, I've got pretty much built motor. It's grout filled block, fully studded, port head, stainless valves. It's got one of my cranks in there, just backed by a T56, 411 diff gears, 305 rubber on the back, AR1s, and yeah, big intercooler, GDX42, 4-inch exhaust, big cams. So yeah, she's a handful.
Well, on that note, let's go and check these cars out and go for a drive.
Let's go for a spin, both.
Awesome. Scrub here or not?
Yep.
Yeah. Right guys, so we're inside the BF Tornado and Hoss is going to give us the serve of the 1000 horsepower barrel burger with chips. Let's go. That's a skill issue, isn't it?
Yeah.
Boost solves all the world's problems, yeah? Boost solves hunger, everything, depression.
Definitely depression.
Yep.
I should have gone the other way. There's traffic this morning.
Oh my goodness. Is that cars all the way down the end there or is that a car park? Just say, like, just go quiet and just enjoy the sound, eh?
Man, mate,
Jeez. Standard gears as well? Or?
Yeah.
They're so strong, eh?
Just got a good clutch in it.
Yeah.
Short shifter.
Man. So today's a wrap, guys. Hoss, thanks for having us here and thanks for coming on the channel.
Thanks very much for having me.
Bro, much appreciated, man.
Yeah.
I really do. So Hoss, amazing car that you got here, man. It makes 1,000 horsepower. The tires, guys, incredible build. And this is where you get your chance to give a shout out to anybody that is involved in your build.
Yeah, I'd like to shout out Hostyl Customs, baby. Keep on your thing.
Hoss is a weapon, boys and girls. He's a weapon. Awesome custom fabrication as well, guys. So he is located in
Newmarket, Brisbane City.
Newmarket, Brisbane. So guys, if you need any fabrication that is amazingly done, you go and see this man right here. He is the one to see.
Good as gold, bro. Thanks for that.
Awesome. No worries.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to JDSN as well, and keep doing your thing, Dan. That's awesome, bro.
Thank you.
Thanks,
awesome.
Bro.
No worries.
Now, if you'd like your car featured on the show, just jump onto Facebook, type in JTSN, look for Just Turbo Supercharged at Nitrous, send me a message and tell me what you have.